What's up, guys? It is JT Traveler, and today we are on a mission to get Hanya our first 50 miles. Kind of don't have a route. We're just gonna be biking and seeing if we can get her to 50 miles. This is her personal goal, so I'm just gonna try to make it easy for her. It's 80 degrees today. It's a beautiful day. Time to get on the street. This is her first time on the street. First time on the street, man. She's going fast. She's biking fast. She wants to get off this thing. Hug the right side. It's either the right side or it's on the ground over here, because they will pass you literally like right here. So if you fly out this side, you're getting hit. How's your first street experience?
I did not like that.
Shin. All your water's gone?
I literally spilled half my water.
Oh my gosh, look at this chew marks. Damn it. We're in a serious situation now, honey. You need some beaten scars on your bottle.
Now I feel extra thirsty.
Yeah, I know, half our water's gone. I think we have enough water. I think my bottom bracket's messed up a little bit. It's making some creaking sounds. Yeah, probably. But I can't seem to like stop the creaking sounds on this bike. Oh, the planes. Oh, an eagle. There goes the eagle. Look at the eagle. I've never seen the eagle before, and I didn't bring my camera. That thing look weird, man. Why his neck just so... Well, I guess he's looking for food. That's my first eagle I've seen in real life.
Really?
Yeah. America. So basically, if you swim in these waters, most of your skin will start boiling the next day, which is kind of crazy. Usually you want it to boil the same day. And it has a natural blue because they dump a lot of Tide Pods into that water as well. So very impressive. Yeah, there goes Hershey. Hey, you guys want some chocolates? That's where it comes from. But yeah, good place to come and expose yourself to toxins, so that way you can build your immune system. What do you call it? Immune system up. It feels like fall is just around the corner. Not believe my eyes. It's a Wally's. I kind of want to go inside. They're trying to compete with Buc-ee's down south. They even have charging stations for your Teslas or electric cars. Ooh, missed opportunity. Where's the Wally's mascot outside to greet me? Let's see what they're talking about. I like that. Interesting. I can't tell if this is a gas station or a movie theater. They got all types of toys in here. You know what? I don't mind this shopping section. Oh, they got bear. Yeah, bear, man. We don't got any of those here, but okay. Probably use better quality glass though. What the heck? What's going on there with the squirrel? That's crazy. Beer arcade. More toys, bro? Usually the restrooms are really nice in these places, but alcohol, why would you need this? You're driving. A beer arcade. Huh. So that was like the unhealthy version of Buc-ee's, because they had ice cream,
They have slushy machine.
popcorn, slushy machine. It was just sugar and shit. Beer arcade. I'm like, why do you have a whole liquor store in here for? It's a gas station. And then the aesthetic is all white. So like being from Indiana, I know like in 3 to 5 years, if it's not well taken care of, this whole place is gonna be looking kind of crazy and dirty.
It's like, I feel like it was very spacious in between each.
Yeah, I like this how spacious it was. It just everything looked like it was like a sugar and for kids to get kids to spend money and stuff like that.
Did you see that RV with the hats? Did you go around the gift shop there?
Yeah, I like the bear. I saw the bear and the squirrel. Versus Buc-ee's, you can get some healthy options there. It's more of a vibe. The whole store looks cohesive. This one is like more like being in a refrigerator. So first impressions, if I've never seen Buc-ee's, I would like this place. But after seeing Buc-ee's, this place is kind of like mid. So I don't know. We'll revisit in like 3 years to see if I was right.
Are we going in the sidewalk or what?
No, let's just go. Car back. Yeah, man, we just riding, man. We just riding. She's biking a lot faster on the road, man. I can't even keep up with her at this gear. Yeah, bro, she put this miles. How fast are we going? She has to be going like at least. She's going quick, man. This might be a trail or private property. Let's see. I think it's just a road. A beautiful neighborhood just tucked away. Only thing is the car sounds of the highway. Okay, so we are a little behind. We are at 14 kilometers. We need to get to 80 kilometers to get 50 miles. And we're already an hour and something in. So it's time to put some miles in and ride. That was LA Calf in Zionsville. Very good food. Really good food. Now we're on the Big 4 trail. Get some miles done, hopefully. Because our time is not looking that good right now. My chicken sandwich was cooked perfectly. I had mushrooms and grilled or sauteed onions as well on them. I give that place a 8 out of 10. A little bit pricey, a little bit too pricey. But those mac and cheese. The what?
You didn't see that little chipmunk that ran in front of you?
Damn it. No. But yes. Ooh, what are those? Those look nice. But yeah, we're gonna get some miles in.
Now, if I'm honest about what I ordered, in my head, I did not envision that. Also, I didn't like it. There was too much barbecue sauce.
Yeah, I tried hers. Way too much barbecue sauce, and the flatbread was more. It was like more of a barbecue pizza than a flatbread. This is quite beautiful, but apparently, on Google, this trail ends pretty soon. I'm hoping that that's just a myth, and the construction has kept going, so that it goes on longer. That's the end. Look at this bit. Let's freedom.
Update. We have reached the halfway mark. Justin told me that the battery's about to die. Do you have backup? He told me that if I do 50 miles, he's gonna buy me a cookie. I want 2 cookies. So My goal was to do 40 miles, but we'll see how it goes. I'm still getting the cookie regardless. I don't care. I've been craving it for a long time.
How your legs feel?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
That is an awesome mural, man. I thought he was shooting. His car's just farting. But check that out. That's a nice mural. To keep it going on the floor. Awesome. We just get more water so we can stay hydrated because there's no clouds in the sky. The sun's coming right down on us. But there's a breeze. There's a nice breeze. Today's a good day to fish. It'll be a nice fishing day at the lake. We're gonna be here for a little bit. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we made a CVS stop at 60 kilometers and now we're headed back home. I'm about tired. I'm ready to relax. Oh man, wish we had a couch, man. If we had a couch, I could go back, lay on the couch.
I want to lay.
Is there a sidewalk down there?
There's a little bit without a sidewalk, then it turns into a sidewalk, yeah.
Perfect, awesome. Cool, thank you. Enjoy the ride. She's never biked so fast I've ever seen. Oh my God, I can't even keep up. Can't even keep up with her, oh my goodness. Oh man, she ain't playing. She did not like the street. Oh my God. Oh boy. I've never seen you bike so fast. Right here should be a trail on our right. I think with this bush right here. Yeah, right here. No, yep. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Oh, wait, it's right here. Here it goes. I think I've been here. We've been here before. Yeah, no, this is the turkey foot. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, I need my brakes. See, when you're turning like that, the only do the right. So right's for like turning, both are for stopping. But anytime you no, what the hell? This is Turkey Foot Trail. It's a very beautiful trail to walk and run. I guess and bike too. But it's super nice. If you're in Indianapolis or Indiana, I would recommend walking this whole trail. It's a beautiful time. Let's go. Oh, it's not that bad. That's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be crazy. Alright guys, we hit the 70-kilometer mark. Almost at 80. That's the goal, which equals 50 miles according to the calculations of Google. So yeah. Alrighty, last street. Riding before we're done. Oh man, she's going fast, man. She is definitely a road rider. Cause geez, man, look how hug the right side. Right side, there you go, right there. Keep it right there. 79.9, 79.9, 80 kilometers. 80.2 kilometers. How you feeling?
I feel good.
Oh.
I feel much better than the last time I did it. I got a couple scrapes on my leg though.
Yep. 50 miles, man. 50 miles. Half of 100. That's the next goal. But thanks for watching. Have a good day today.